The Avon Solar Wall Light is our most compact and modern wall light. Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Avon Solar Wall Light. Let's get into it. The Avon Solar Wall Light features a modern cube-shaped design. This light emits 50 lumens and has been designed to absorb the maximum amount of sunlight, even in those darker British winter months. It emits a soft, warm white glow and has a modern anthracite finish. This light is extremely durable, it's waterproof and has a solid aluminium structure. The measurements of this light are 7.7 centimeters tall, 9 centimeters wide and 9 centimeters in depth. The fixing holes are 3.5 centimeters apart. Let's open up the box and have a look. So inside the box we have the light, the instructions and the fixing kit. Everything you need to install this light is included in the box. One of the best things about this light is that the solar panel is integrated into the top of the light. This means there's no hassle with wires or any additional panels. This light is super easy to set up. You just need to line up the included screws with the holes and slot the light into place, and you're all good to go. To turn on your light, all you have to do is press the power button on the back of the light. Make sure you do this before you install it. You're going to need to press the power button once if you want the light to remain in standard mode, and press the button a second time if you want it in power saving mode. Power saving mode offers 50% brightness and will give you longer run time in the winter months. If you want to turn the light off altogether, just press the power button a third time. This light has a built-in dust sensor, which means the lights will turn on automatically after dark and remain on for 8 hours on a full charge. The solar panel is located on the top of the light. Make sure to install it with the panel facing upwards in a sunny spot. This light is an up and down light, which means it has 2 LEDs on the top and 2 LEDs on the bottom. This is perfect for gardeners wanting to create a modern, seamless glow. If you have any questions on this product, please leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.